Meet your new favorite friend, a joyful, twirling hippo ready to lead the way into a world of movement and discovery. A dancing hippo. Play, learn, and explore with farm animals and jungle animals is an immersive adventure designed to spark imagination and get little bodies moving. Children are invited to join this cheerful hippo as it dances, stomps.
Tigers are the largest cats in the world. A male Siberian tiger can weigh over 600 pounds, 270 kilograms, and grow up to 10 feet, 3 meters, long with tail. Tigers are mostly nocturnal. Their eyes are specially adapted for night vision. They can see 6 times better than humans in the dark. Tigers are endangered due to poaching and habitat loss. Only around 4,000 tigers are left in the wild.
Donkeys have excellent memories. They can recognize places, and other donkeys they haven't seen in years. Donkeys can carry up to 30% of their body weight and pull even more. They've been used as pack animals for centuries. Donkeys form strong bonds with other donkeys, animals, or humans. Lonely donkeys can become sad or depressed. Donkeys are highly intelligent, not stubborn. They're just careful and cautious by nature. Donkeys have excellent memories. Rabbits can jump up to 3 feet high and 10 feet long in a single bound. Their powerful back legs are built for hopping away from predators. Rabbits have eyes on the sides of their heads. This gives them a nearly 360-degree view to spot danger from almost any direction. Rabbits are often associated with spring because they breed, well, like rabbits. A female rabbit is called a doe and can have several litters each year. Rabbits are often associated with spring because they breed, well, ducks can shut down 1/2 of their brain at a time. This allows them to rest while still being alert to predators. Ducks come in many varieties, from the colorful mandarin duck to the classic mallard. Migratory ducks can travel thousands of miles and often return to the exact location they were born. Lions are carnivores and apex predators. They mainly eat large animals like zebras, wildebeest, and buffalo. Lions are classified as vulnerable by the IUCN due to habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching. Lions are the only truly social cats. They live in groups called prides. A pride usually consists of related females, their offspring, and 1-3 adult males. Lions are carnivores and apex predators. Squirrels are accidental arborists. They have a behavior called scatter hoarding, where they collect nuts and seeds and bury them in numerous small caches all over their territory to eat later. However, they have such a phenomenal sense of smell that they can find nuts buried under a foot of snow. They don't recover all of them, and those forgotten acorns and nuts often sprout into new trees, making them crucial for forest regeneration. Giraffes were once thought to be silent, but they actually make low humming sounds, especially at night, to communicate. Giraffes are the tallest land animals on Earth. Adult males can grow up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters, tall. Giraffes are herbivores. They only eat plants, especially the leaves of acacia trees, which they love. Despite their size, giraffes can run up to 35 miles per hour.
Sheep have amazing memories. They can recognize faces of other sheep and even humans and remember them for years. Sheep are very social animals and like to stay in groups. They often follow the leader. That's where the phrase "follow like sheep" comes from. Sheep say "ba" to communicate with each other. Lambs and their mothers can recognize each other by their unique sounds. Sheep grow thick wool that keeps them warm. Their wool is used to make clothes, blankets, and socks. Sheep have amazing memories. They can recognize faces of other sheep and even humans and remember them for years. Sheep are very social animals and like to stay in groups.
Dogs were domesticated from wolves over 15,000 years ago, making them one of the first domesticated animals. Dogs can see in the dark better than humans, due to a structure called the tapetum lucidum in their eyes. Dogs come in an astonishing range of sizes, from the tiny Chihuahua, about 2 pounds, to the massive English Mastiff, up to 250 pounds. Dogs form strong bonds with their humans and can experience separation anxiety when left alone too long. Zebras live in groups, herds, and often form strong family bonds. Plain zebras form harems, one male with several females and foals, while Grevy's zebras are more solitary. Zebras live in savannas, grasslands, woodlands, shrublands, and even mountainous regions across eastern and southern Africa. Zebras are hindgut fermenters, meaning they digest food in their cecum and colon, allowing them to extract nutrients from low-quality forage. Zebras live in groups, herds, and often form strong family bonds. Plain zebras form harems. Horses can sleep while standing thanks to a special locking system in their legs, but they need to lie down for deep sleep. Horses' eyes are on the sides of its head, giving it a nearly 360 degrees view, except directly in front and behind. Horses can learn commands, recognize human emotions, and remember people for years. Horses naturally live in herds and form strong bonds with other horses and humans. Elephants mourn their dead. They will touch and revisit the bones of deceased companions. They display complex emotions like joy, grief, compassion, and even humor. An elephant's trunk has around 40,000 muscles used for breathing, smelling, touching, grabbing, and trumpeting. Elephants are herbivores of food daily. Cows are gentle farm animals known for giving us milk, which is used to make cheese, yogurt, butter, and more. Cows are very social animals and form close bonds with other cows, often having best friends in their herd. Cows have been domesticated for over 10,000 years and are important for dairy, meat, leather, and farming in many cultures. Cows are herbivores and eat only plants like grass, hay, and grains, often chewing for 6-8 hours a day. Cows are gentle farm animals known for giving us milk, which is used to make cheese, yogurt, butter, and more. And splashes its way through vibrant landscapes, becoming the playful guide for a day full of fun. This isn't just about watching, it's about participating, encouraging kids to jump up, mimic the moves, and laugh along as they begin their interactive journey. The adventure unfolds across 2 exciting realms. First, visit the sunny, friendly farm where kids can waddle with a line of cheerful ducklings, hop like bouncy rabbits, and trot alongside gentle cows.